Hey everyone.
Okay. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another exciting episode of PathQuest BI. I'm your host, Amit B, and today we have a fascinating topic lined up, which is advisory revolution. What's driving 79% of accounting firms? Before we dive deep into discuss about this topic, let's hear it from everyone. Like, tell us, like, where is everyone from? What country? What city you belong to? Mention in the comment, and yeah, also specify or mention what do you want to specifically cover us in the podcast pertaining to the business intelligence, accounting, or finance. And yeah, you can also mention about what inspired you, what brought you here.
Besides us, of course.
Yeah. All right, so we are diving into the world of accounting and the remarkable transformations happening in the industry. You might have heard the term advisory revolution being thrown around in accounting circles. But what exactly is it? And what's driving 79% of accounting firms to embrace it? To shed light on this, we have an exceptional guest with us today, Tom Johnson, our regional sales director and a seasoned financial expert with years of experience in the field. Welcome to the show, Tom. It's a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks, Amit. It's great to be here and discuss the exciting, revolution that's taking the accounting world by storm. Um, really looking forward to diving in a little deeper with this and sharing my thoughts. Um, Anyone that's out there, if you have any questions, go ahead and just post it in the comments as we go, and we'll address it. Love to hear from you.
Yeah, fantastic. So let's jump right in. The advisory revolution. Now, Tom, tell us what is it and why is it such a hot topic in the accounting industry today?
So it's all about the shift in focus with accounting firms. Traditionally, accountants have been known for their compliance work, handling taxes, audits, and financial statements, etc. So, however, the advisory revolution is really an exceptional opportunity and separates the seasoned veterans and the accountants stepping into a new role as a trusted advisor to their clients, taking their relationship to a higher level, plus making their clients more sticky for them and really growing their business exceptionally.
Uh huh. Now that sounds intriguing, but what's driving this change and why are so many firms embracing it?
So the primary driver behind the revolution is the recognition that clients now seek more from their clients or from their accountants. So they're looking for strategic insights, financial planning, and proactive advice to help them navigate, the complex financial landscape that they're addressing. So, according to recent stats, a staggering 79% of accounting firms have made, the shift because they've realized that being proactive and providing value-added services is not only beneficial for their clients, but also a fantastic business opportunity for them.
Well, those statistics are impressive, Tom. Can you share some more data or examples that illustrates the impact of this shift?
So sure. So here's some key stats that I found. A survey of accounting firms found that 88% reported an increase in revenue after embracing the advisory revolution. This shows that offering advisory services can be not only rewarding for clients but also financially lucrative for the firms. Also client satisfaction has seen a significant boost as well. So the same survey found that 82% of clients were more satisfied with their accountants when they offered advisory services, further reinforcing the importance of the transformation. And 76% of accounting firms reported an improvement in employee engagement and job satisfaction as accountants find their work more fulfilling when they're helping clients make better financial decisions. And with our
Wow, the facts
PathQuest
are
solutions, with our PathQuest BI and our PathQuest AP solutions, we're giving you some more, juice for the advisory portion of their business to help them offer, you know, more of a vast array of services for them.
right. Indeed, this is all eye-opening. It's clear that advisory revolution is a win-win for both accounting firms and their customers. So, what advice would you offer to companies looking to make this transition successfully?
Yeah, so the key is to invest in technology like our PathQuest AP or BI and training to empower your team, your team with the skills and tools they need to become, the trusted advisors that everyone's leaning towards.
And what tools and technologies are accountants using to deliver more valuable advisory services to their customers?
Yeah, so the BI platforms like our PathQuest BI, embrace data analytics, cloud-based platforms, and collaborative tools to streamline operations and gain valuable insights. And of course, always keep the client's best interests at heart by providing personalized, forward-thinking advice.
Right. And how has technology or automation influenced the shift towards advisory services in accounting firms?
So technology and automation have revolutionized the accounting industry, enabling accountants to shift towards advisory services, as we've discussed. So according to a Deloitte & Touche survey, 60% of accountants believe technology has increased their capacity for advisory work. Automated data entry and processing free up time for accountants to analyze financial data, offer strategic insights, and provide personalized guidance to clients, ultimately enhancing their value proposition.
Right. Well, what are the specific challenges that traditional accounting firms face in adapting to this revolution, and how are they overcoming them?
Yeah, so according to a survey by Deloitte, again, 91% of accountants worry about the impact of automation. So to overcome this, firms are investing in advanced software, upskilling, their staff, and shifting towards advisory services. So they're also leveraging cloud-based tools to enhance efficiency and provide real-time insights. So staying competitive in the ever-evolving accounting landscape as it is today.
And what new skills and competencies do accountants need to develop to excel in the advisory role?
So they must evolve to excel in advisory roles. So according to a survey by the Association of Chartered Accountants, 70% of firms value data analytics skills, 60% seek strategic thinking, and 45% require strong communication abilities. Excel in advisory, accountants must master their competencies, so enabling them to provide invaluable insights and guide clients towards informed financial decisions.
Okay. And are there any specific industries or sectors where the adoption of advisory services in accounting is more pronounced, and why?
So healthcare, with its intricate, reimbursement structures, leads at 34% advisory service adoption, followed by technology at 28%, requiring constant tax optimization. Meanwhile, the financial sector at 22% seeks risk management expertise. So these sectors value advisory services to navigate their unique challenges, ensuring financial success and compliance in an ever-evolving landscape.
Do you have any examples of successful accounting firms that have embraced advisory services and significantly grown their business as a result?
Yeah, so one prominent example, I'll go back to Deloitte. So by expanding their services beyond the traditional accounting, they saw a 12.5% revenue growth in 2021. So that's driven by their robust advisory offerings. This shift towards advisory services, as we've discussed, allowed them to provide clients with more value-added solutions, resulting in substantial business growth.
Yeah. Are there any potential risks or downsides associated with this shift towards advisory services in the accounting industry?
Yeah, it also poses risks, but a survey by the AICPA, found that increased advisory work can strain resources, with 62% of firms reporting concerns about managing, capacity. Additionally, regulatory challenges and liability risk can emerge when offering non-traditional services.
Okay. And how are accounting firms measuring the success and impact of their advisory services on their clients' businesses?
So, according to a survey, 82% of firms track client revenue growth, and 76% monitor cost savings, and 68% assess client satisfaction. These KPIs help firms demonstrate their impact on clients' financial health and the overall success.
Well, what impact does the advisory revolution have on the work culture? I mean, job satisfaction of the staff, I mean, the accountants and other professionals in the industry. Also, are there any ethical considerations or potential conflicts of interest that accountants need to address when providing advisory services?
So, the advisory revolution is reshaping the accounting industry by elevating accountants into strategic business advisors. So, the shift enhances job satisfaction. It's offering more dynamic and engaging roles. So, however, it introduces ethical dilemmas as accountants must balance their fiduciary duty and with the potential for clients to conflicts of interest when recommending financial decisions. But maintaining transparency and client trust is crucial. So ultimately, the revolution underscores the need for accountants to adapt, upskill, and navigate these changes, with integrity, of course.
Of course, yeah. Tom, any final words, any last advice on advisory revolution?
Sure. So the rapid digitization, of financial processes and the demand for remote services are driving 79% of accounting firms to embrace technology, to stay competitive, prioritize investing in digital tools like our PathQuest BI and AP, and remote work capabilities to better serve clients and streamline operations.
Right. Fantastic advice, Tom. This has been an enlightening discussion about the advisory revolution. And I'm sure our listeners have gained some valuable insights. Thank you for being here today. That's all for today's episode. And if you've got any questions, please put those in the comments. We can go over them.
Yeah, we'd love to hear